After some relatively smaller scale pilots elsewhere in the world, the first and the largest mobile signature implementation have been done by the largest mobile operator of the country, Turkcell, back in the first quarter of 2007, so it's relatively in an early period. Turkey's largest 5 private banks, private consumer banks, also launched their mobile signature applications on the internet, so this really helped the initial adoption of mobile signatures in Turkey. I am rather proud to say that main portal of Turkish government is supporting mobile signature today, so it helps citizens to easily access many different applications available. The second best practice is by Türkiye İş Bankası. On their internet banking site, let's say you want to get a consumer loan, usually on a usual environment you should go to banking branch and sign a contract. But if you have mobile signature, you can sign your consumer loan agreement without going to banking branch, and your credit balance is immediately raised. Therefore, if you have mobile signature, you can get an instant loan without even visiting your bank. So this is rather new. This application have become very popular among mobile signature users, and it's very widely used among many people. This actually, I think, shows that mobile signature is not only a security method, but also a potential business area for application providers for new revenue potential.